Hello everyone, my name is Chris. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my last video, I showed you how to connect your Expo project on an iPhone. Because of all the comments and questions I received, I decided to create a new tutorial that demonstrates how to connect your Expo project on two devices simultaneously, whether you are using iPhone, Android, or both. For this video, we will start fresh with a new Expo project. Okay, let's jump right in. Open the terminal. Click here. Click on new. Then run this command. Type in npm install Expo. Cry. Hit enter. So the G flag installs the Expo global. You can skip if you already have it. Alright, it has successfully installed. Now let's run another command. This one will create a new Expo app for us. So in your terminal, type yes with Expo app. Okay. Then example and press enter. You will be prompted to choose a template. Okay. Then select blank, hit enter. Then you will be asked for your app name. Let's call it my first app and press enter again. Expo will now install all the necessary libraries. Once it finishes, navigate into your project's app. Okay, our project is ready. Next, you run another command for us to navigate into our project folder. So you type in cd then with the name of the folder, which is my first app. Then I'll press enter. Okay, finally start the development server by typing nps npm expo start, then press enter. There, the project is starting. So now pick up your iPhone and open the camera app to scan the QR code. If you are on Android, you can either scan the QR code in Expo Go or paste the URL manually. Once you connect it, you will see your new app live on your device. See you there. Now, on your iPhone, open the camera app and point it at the QR code, and a drop-down box will appear. But before you tap on the box, make sure you have installed Expo Go in your iPhone. So we tap on the pause to launch the project. Once it loads, you will see the default test, that is universal with React. Okay, universal React with Expo. To confirm everything connected, open app.js on your VS Code. We open it. Okay, as you can see, it's the same test here. So let's change it, delete it, and type Chris check. You could type anything you want, then save it and watch the test update live on your phone. So next, I will connect on Android so that we have two devices running the app simultaneously. See you there soon. Now, on Android, open your camera app just like you did on the iPhone, but this time you will use the API URL that Expo showed when you started the server. So next we open Expo Go. Tap on it. So tap on this enter URL. Okay, then you type in the Expo IP address. Okay, so after that, tap on connect and wait for it to finish. Okay, as you can see, it has successfully connected. Now let's make a change in the app to confirm. So we delete pre-stack, and as you see, it disappeared from the screen. Now let's type in my first app. Okay, my first app. Okay, and everything is working. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, please drop them in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Bye for now.